Welcome to my class, Teaching Practice Workshop. Today we are going to talk about connected speech and more about assimilation. What is connected speech? Connected speech meant that when speaking a language words influence each other. We don't always pronounce words completely separate with a clear pause between them. In fact, many words influence each other when forming phrases and sentences. The final sounds of one word often affect the beginning of the next. Connected speech includes many subtopics. Connected speech occurs in many ways. Something sounds are added, needed, or modified in different ways. It's a very broad topic, and we could talk at least about its various topics. In this lesson, you will learn about one of the 5 different types of connected speech: assimilation. Assimilation is connected speech is a natural phonological process in which a sound is modified because of the influence of the sound that comes immediately before or after it. These changes help speakers produce faster, smoother, and more efficient speech. Assimilation often occurs in everyday, fluent conversation, causing consonants to shift their place or manner of articulation, so the transition between words becomes easier and more natural. Warm up. Option A. Did you eat? Option B. Did you eat? As which one sounds more natural? Topic development. A sound changes because of the next sounds when speak quickly. This often happens with T and G, which make G, G, and with D and G, which make G, G. Example: don't you, won't you, meet you, did you, would you. Evaluation activity. This is a speaking mini check. Each student will say a short sentence using assimilation. Marce.
Did you see it?
Okay, that's good. Salem.
Won't you go?
Okay. Jesus.
Could you try?
Okay, it's fine. Nice students. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you next activity. Take care.